This is standing bow pose, also known as archer's pose or dancer's pose, Dandayamana Dhanurasana. Beginning on the right leg, nice and straight and strong, kneecap lifted. Bring your left hand out to your side, palm facing up, thumb towards the back wall. Bring it around behind you, bend your left knee and grab your left foot from the inside, all 5 fingers together. Again, lock that right leg. Bring the right arm up next to the right ear. Find your gaze straight forward as if you're looking at an archer's bullseye. Keep your gaze there, steady and strong. Take a deep breath, stretch up, belly in, and on the exhale, nice and slow with ease and grace, hinging forward on the right hip, keeping the heart lifted, bowing that back nicely, gaze forward, right leg straight and strong, reaching and kicking equally from the beginning. This is a 60-second pose for the first set, 30 for the second set, building lots of stamina, endurance, concentration, patience skills. Reaching and kicking, right fingertips pointing right at that bullseye, left toes pointing straight up, left kneecap straight back, heart lifted, belly drops, left hip drops. Good. Trying to eventually shoot your arrow right at the center of the bullseye. One more kick, one more stretch, and release. Inhale, come up slowly, and exhale, feet together, right arm down, and land in mountain pose.